Merrill Lynch, now part of Bank of America's wealth management division, is one of the oldest and most recognized names in investing. But in 2025, is it still worth it? Merrill Lynch offers full-service financial advising, retirement planning, and investment management, making it a strong choice for high-net-worth individuals who want personalized guidance. Clients get access to in-depth research, advanced portfolio tools, and a trusted advisor relationship. However, these services come at a cost. Fees are significantly higher than robo-advisors or discount brokers like Fidelity or Schwab. For active traders, Merrill isn't the cheapest option, and its platform, while solid, isn't as modern or flexible as some fintech alternatives. Where it shines is the combination of human advisors backed by Bank of America's resources, plus perks for existing Bank of America customers. In short, Merrill Lynch is worth it if you prioritize hands-on financial guidance and don't mind higher fees. But if you're a self-directed investor, you might find better value elsewhere.